Europe, Asia, Australia, Africa, North America, South America, and Antarctica. If there are people at all, they are welcome back to my channel. This is your boy once again, Matthews, aka Matthew08 from Zambia, the sunniest or one of the sunniest countries here in Africa. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you're a returning viewer, thank you very much for always staying glued to my channel. And in today's video, I'm just going to use one of the most luxurious fleet or public transport that we have right now on the market here in Zambia. You will never find any other fleet like this one, which is behind me. It is called UBZ. And now we are leaving where we are lodging from. We were in Livingston. This is our friend Anna from Russia, Moscow, and her son Yan, and it is freaking cold here in Livingston in June. Otherwise, right now we've booked a taxi going to one of the most luxurious at the same time intercity bus terminus that we have here in Zambia, and she's checking her luggage if everything okay. This is the bus commonly known as UBZ, and the price from Livingston to Lusaka is about 350 kwacha, which is $17, and it has got space where you can even park your luggage under there to maintain center of gravity. This is how it looks from the exterior, and most of the people, you might think that this is a sponsored video. No, it's not sponsored. It's just that I was impressed by how this bus looks inside and how they have maintained it. This is the, of course, the intercity bus terminus here in Livingston. Inside it just looks like an airport. It is the ultra modern intercity bus terminus. If you've been to this place here in Livingston, leave a comment, because I know a lot of tourists, they come to Livingston and they have witnessed this marvelous bus station or intercity bus terminus, because you find buses going to different cities. And let us get inside. I show you what I am talking about. Just look at the design of this bus. You might think that you are on a plane, because it has got a place where to put your luggage. It has got Wi-Fi inside, and I will surprise you a little bit later. We've started off our journey going to Lusaka from Livingston, and the sun is just rising up, and it is going to take us from Livingston to Lusaka. With this bus, it will take you 7 hours maximum, and I will explain why with this bus it is 7 hours maximum. Others they take 5 hours, others they take maybe 6 hours. And of course, I came with my friend, the famous YouTuber here in Zambia called Traveltainment. If you're a YouTuber in Zambia and you don't know Traveltainment, then you are just beginning. Otherwise, guys, I would like to say thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for always coming back to my channel. We are slowly exiting Livingston City. This is the most tourist capital here that we have in Zambia, and it is the cleanest in my own opinion, because it is very clean. You rarely find litters outside. If you've been to Livingston or you live in Livingston, leave a comment. Is what I'm saying true, or is just an opinion? Inside here, this is the only public bus where you can find toilets inside. No other. Only UBZ. And I'm showing you here, you can use the toilet here. You're just allowed to pass out water, and this is the interior view. I call this bus an airplane in form of a bus. Why do I say so? Because it has got everything inside. There's a toilet, of which on a plane you are going to find the toilet. There's Wi-Fi, and in planes you don't even find Wi-Fi in other planes, but this one has got Wi-Fi. There's even a TV, and there's even a charging port where you can charge your gadgets. This is a top-notch public bus on the market. On the Zambian market, you'll never find such. And we are lodging at Casmen Lodge. Guys, if you are watching outside Europe, rather if you are watching outside Africa, or maybe within Africa, do you have such buses in your country where public buses, they even have toilets? As we are going, we met these guys who are competing, the cyclists cycling, and they caused a little bit of congestion, but we are enjoying our ride here. You find that on this bus, everything is there. You even find air conditioner. That's why you are not allowed to open the windows, or windows, they are not openable if there's such kind of a word in English. If it is hot, you just switch on the air con, which is up there. I'm very excited to know that we've got such kind of transport system here in Zambia by the name of UBZ. I would like to applaud, to commend the owner of this company, that we need more of such buses going to all parts of the country, because I heard that these buses, they only go to some designated places: Lusaka, Copperbelt, Chipata, and maybe Solwezi, if I'm not mistaken. My wish is to eat that these buses, they start going to all the parts of Zambia, so that people can have an experience of being on a plane but on a bus, because it has got everything. Let me go back. Why did I say that this bus takes much longer than other buses? Why? It is for safety reasons. This is the aircon I was talking about. You can even reduce, you can even increase. What more do you want? If you've never been on a plane, I advise you to board this bus. You feel like you're just flying on a plane. There is no difference. The only difference is the plane flies in the skies, and this one, it is road transport, but the feel, the experience is the same, because I've been on a plane before and I know. And they've even got, well mannered conductors. They don't use abusive language on their clients. We've reached a Msokotwani toll plaza where you have to pay. Here in Zambia, they introduced a system where if you are exiting one city going to another, you have to pay RD, and this is the money that they use to build roads, renovate roads, etc., which is a very good initiative. That's why at the moment now we've got good roads here in Zambia. Finally, we overtook these guys were causing congestion, and here it stops on different stops. There are so many stops coming from Livingstone to Lusaka and vice versa. Otherwise, we've reached another station here. People have to disembark, and of course others are getting on. Why this bus takes more hours than others? Because they observe traffic rules, because safety is very important. It's better to be late than to be late. So that's number one thing. And the other thing is they don't over speed like what other transport companies do, but this one they always observe that, and their drivers, they are one of the best. Otherwise, I'm enjoying my ride. If you are watching from Europe, Australia, Asia, North America, South America, Antarctica, Africa, what do you think? I think when being on this bus, I even saw other nationalities. Probably if you've happened to use this bus, drop a comment, please. Let me know how was your experience. I would like to hear from you. Maybe what I'm saying might be wrong, or might be, for others who've not used this bus. Leave a comment, I would like to know. And we've stopped here on another bus station, and you find people selling different merchandise outside the bus. And on this bus, people are not sellers. They are not allowed to get in. So if you want to buy, you just buy from outside. Then we bought chicken and chips. Me, I bought sausage and chips. This was our breakfast from coming from Livingston. We've reached, this is I've forgotten the name of this station. And you even find ladies, men selling tomatoes, selling apples, selling different things to passengers, because it is business as usual. And this bus is only allowed to get, maximum should be 60 passengers. It does not have to go beyond that. And just look at the makeshift shops here, or tuntembas, what we call them here in Zambia. It is an interesting journey that we embarked on. We just visited Livingston. We saw different places, and I hope you are always following. And we've reached the last bus station here called Monze. From here we are just going direct into Lusaka. Let's find something to eat, because it's just a long journey of 7 or 6 hours somewhere there. Welcome to Monze bus station. This is the name of this station. And if you are not Zambian, you visited Zambia and used this bus, and you've happened to watch this video, I would like to hear from you. What was your experience? If you are Zambian origin, or you are watching from Zambia, I recommend you to use this bus just to have that experience of being on a plane. Just look at the exterior view, how luxurious, how cozy, how comfortable. And we were with our friend from Russia. People started asking for selfies. It's a normal thing. Even me, when I was studying in Russia, people could come to me and ask for selfies. She's come a celebrity here. People are just flocking to ask for pics. And as I was saying, if you are a Zambian, you've used UBZ, leave a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We even bought some wild apples. That's what they are called, that wild apples, with my friend Traveltainment, the famous YouTuber here in Zambia. And I would like to say thank you, to appreciate him for everything that he's been doing in my YouTube journey. Otherwise, had it not been for him, probably I would have stopped, but I keep going because of his assistance. And we've reached Lusaka. You can just see the famous, the only tallest building that we have here in Lusaka, or in Zambia, called Findeko. And along these roads here in Lusaka, you find streets selling everywhere, unlike in Livingstone. In Livingstone you don't find such kind of things. People here, they hustle to provide for their families. We make money in so many different ways. Otherwise, fam, this is what I wanted to show you. The only fleet, the only public transport that has got air conditioner inside, has got toilet, has got Wi-Fi. Others, they also have Wi-Fi, but the most important thing here is how comfortable it is, how they observe safety, how they provide their services. It is on another level. I heard that the owner of this company is Savenda or something like that. That's his name. If you are watching this video, please continue with your good works. You are changing the face of Zambia in terms of transport system. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for your support. I will see you in my next video. This was your boy Matthews.